In this video, I will show you how to earn money in OneWin app. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I advise you create a professional OneWin account. To do that, click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you're going to fill in your details, choose your currency, your phone number, your email address, and your password. Now, when it comes to promo codes, you're going to use the promo code RENZO7. If you use the promo code RENZO7, OneWin is going to give you up to 500% bonus on your first deposit. This means that if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $500 as your bonus, and you can use to bet. Now, let's continue. So there are many ways to earn money in OneWin app. There is any money by betting, there's any money by claiming free money, there's any money by betting on live events or OneWin games, casinos, live games, aviator games, and so on and so forth. Anyway, there is are all ways to earn money in OneWin. So for instance, you want to choose sports as an event to earn money from OneWin. You have to come over to this sport you want to bet on and then choose the match. For instance, you can choose a match between, for instance, this match between Brighton and Wolves. Can choose Wolves to win, and if you bet and win on this, you're going to earn money in OneWin, and that's how to earn money in your